Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Web3 Revolution. My name is Rex, and before we begin, please remember that none of what we talk about is financial advice. So, let's dive right into it. Today, we're going to be talking about different Pump.fun snipers. So, as you know, if you go on Pump.fun, let's just go on Pump.fun real quick, you'll see it's a very messy app. Okay, yeah, whatever, terms of service, whatever. There's some bounties, there's some coins you can explore, and a lot of these go to zero, right? I mean, we can look at this investigator, Zach XBT. See, it did really well. Wow, that's doing really well. But as you can see, the founder himself, he got out early. Wow, this is actually crazy. But as you can see, it's so fast, right? I mean, this was created come on. This was created 5 minutes ago, and it's up that much? I mean, that's crazy. And it might go to zero right now, you know? And it's really, you need a certain system in place that when the coin comes out, you just buy it on the spot once there's volume, right? So it has to be basically very systematic. It's very, very, very tough to trade these. Most people lose money on memes. But if you know what you're doing, you really have a shot of winning a lot, and making a lot. I mean, yeah, I think this is going to hit zero now. It could be over. It could not be over. You know, I mean, look, if I really fell on something amazing, I mean, look, it was 4 minutes ago. Can you imagine? Yeah, okay, here it goes. Makes sense. I mean, something 4 minutes ago, it's very hard for it to pass 100K. It's normal. I mean, all I'm trying to say is it's normal. So, this is where Pump.fun Sniper comes into existence, you know? I mean, we can just launch the terminal. I literally just pressed one button, right? So then we just say start bot. And yes, this is preview mode, right? And it's going to basically automatically scan and buy, analyze, see, buy, sell. And then you can kind of see your 24-hour stats of what trades were made, your win rate, your loss rate. This was skipped. Okay, so this one we lost. I mean, it is what it is. That one we made a tiny bit. We're still down. But, see, that one we made a lot. Boom, done. I mean, if this is real, obviously, look how much money I just made and how fast it was and how easy that was, right? So all I have to do is connect my wallet and do all this stuff. It's really easy. You can check the logs too, so you can really see what's going on, and then you can check your profile. Obviously, I didn't actually do it. You can auto reinvest. Manual withdrawal, I would always recommend that. And as you can see, it's just super easy to use, and I think that if we can trust this, you could be on something ridiculously profitable, because indeed it's all about beating the game, right? Beating the masses at Pump.fun and really having a system that works systematically. And overall, this sniper bot seems like it's the real deal, you know? I mean, see, built for paranoia. You see, it's audited by CertiK. Make sure that, you can always check every smart contract used here. You can see the pricing, join the Telegram. And it's not that much when you really think about it. I mean, unlimited snipes, unlimited token scan. I mean, that's really cool. I think that, again, you can try this out, see if it's for you, and it doesn't guarantee a profit, but it's working right now, right? So take advantage of that. So this is just one new tool that we've been using that, I think eventually it might not work out, but for right now, we have a great opportunity, and let's take advantage of it. Anyways, this was Rex. I just presented you sniper bots on Solana, and I hope to see you in the next video.